In the final moments of life, dying patients undergo a remarkable surge of brain activity in specific regions, suggesting a correlation with near-death experiences, NDEs, frequently recounted by survivors of cardiac arrest. University of Michigan researchers closely monitored 4 comatose patients in a neurointensive care unit who eventually succumbed to heart attacks, revealing a spike in gamma wave activity and increased heart rate for 2 individuals when oxygen supply was severed. This surge occurred in the brain's convergence zone for conscious activity, known as the hot zone, encompassing the temporal, parietal, and occipital lobes. NDEs, described by 10 to 20% of cardiac arrest survivors, exhibit a heightened level of consciousness that challenges conventional understanding of the dying brain. Although no patient survived to share their experiences, this breakthrough paves the way for future exploration into end-of-life brain dynamics. With near-death experiences being intricate and multifaceted phenomena, further investigation is vital to unravel the intricacies of human consciousness. This research publication in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences provides a significant starting point for uncovering unknown mechanisms in the brain when nearing death, ultimately advancing our understanding of the enigmatic nature of human existence.